Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and if you've never had honey garlic shrimp, today's your day, baby. Let's go make it. To start, you're going to need a bag of raw large shrimp, peeled and deveined. Rinse and place your shrimp in a large Ziploc bag or a bowl. I just prefer a Ziploc bag because, well, it's less dishes to wash. I'm going to be marinating these, so we're going to start with 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce. Make sure it's low sodium. Add 1/3 cup of raw honey. Honey, do, 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 do. Now your turn. Oh, baby, baby. I'll also be adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, equivalent to 2 cloves of garlic. Half a teaspoon of minced ginger, which will add a really nice flavor to it. All right, so we want to go ahead and zip this, but first you want to just remove all the air, zip it, and then we want to massage it so that all of the shrimp gets coated in our marinade. You want to marinate for at least 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and just let mine sit on the counter while I work on my sides. While marinating, you could be working on your rice, your veggies, and subscribing to my channel. Hit that subscribe button below. Today, I'm going to be using my cast iron skillet, which I like to use for shrimp. You can use any skillet you have. And we'll start by adding 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. If you haven't noticed already, I use mostly unsalted butter on my dishes. And basically, it's because it gives me more control over the salt content of my recipe. We don't always know how much salt there really is in the butter. Now, for instance, also today I'm using soy sauce. Soy sauce is basically salt. So this just gives me more control over how much I'm putting in there. Now, I still do buy a small package of the salted butter because I do like it on my toast and other things. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. By the way, I've got my temp set at a number 6. Once your butter is melted, you want to add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Give it a mix and just be careful that you don't burn your garlic. We're ready to add our shrimp, but we don't want all of our sauce in there, so use a slotted spoon. Just make sure that you do reserve the sauce or marinade that's in your bag for later. Now, if you can't find a recipe you're looking for in my front page, be sure to go to the tab up top where it says videos and playlists. I've got a ton of videos there as well. Add a little bit of pepper according to your taste. I also like adding 1/4 to half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. This will give it a slight kick. You want to cook for about 1 minute on each side. To my marinade sauce, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Massage it to mix well, and I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat down to low so I don't overcook my shrimp here. We're ready to add all of our sauce in there. Now, the cornstarch will just help thicken your sauce. Let's give it a mix to incorporate all the flavors. As you can see here, after a little while, your sauce will start to thicken, which is what we want. Shrimp doesn't take long to cook. I would say about 2 minutes on each side, so please be sure to keep an eye on it. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. Now this is ready, so I'm going to turn it off. Then I'm going to come in and squeeze a whole lime in here. Let's give it a mix, and then let's go plate. I like serving mine on a bed of white jasmine rice. Then I top it off with a little bit of cilantro, parsley, or green onions, whatever you have. And I also like to add some sesame seeds on top. I promise you guys, this is so good and a big hit at my house. So don't forget to share with friends. And if you can, smash that like button and please leave me a comment. Let me know where you're from. I love hearing from my viewers. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. And please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.